Hi class, so we're on example number 4 on 1.4. Okay, so we're on the back, example 4 and 1.4. Okay, so we did this on another video. Okay, we just did this. So if you don't have this done, make sure you complete it. Go back and search the other video. The other video is example number 3. Okay, let's go ahead and answer this question though before we get to example 4. What is the coefficient in each of these expressions? So this is a coefficient, right? Coefficient, coefficient, this is a coefficient, this is a coefficient, and this is a coefficient. Now, what are they though? It starts with an I, if you remember from last year. They're actual integers. In this case, they're all integers. And as a matter of fact, they're to the power of 1. You see how there's a 4 to the 1, 9 to the 1, negative 2 to the 1, 3 to the 1, negative 5 to the 1. So they are all, what is the coefficient in each of these expressions? They're all integers with to the power of 1. All right? So we answered this part right here. Let's go ahead and go on to example 4. All right, we're in example 4. So let's go ahead and read this one. Read this one by yourself first and then come back to the video. All right, go ahead and pause it. So we're back now. So a magazine offers a special service to its subscribers. If they scan the square logo, this is square, this logo is a square logo on a smartphone, they can receive special offers from the magazine. Find the area of the logo. So we want to find the area of this logo, and we know that it is a square, okay? It's a square logo. So whatever this length is, it's also for this one, okay? So first of all, let's answer this question over here. What is the formula to find the area of a square? So area of a square is what? Yeah, good. Length times width. Now this is cursive, okay guys? It's not an E. L times W. Length times width. So A equals length times width. So what's the length? In this case, it's 7 times A to the 4th times B. I rewrote it again just in case the camera doesn't let you see that. Okay? So A equals 7A to the 4th times B. Now, this is special because it's a square, isn't it? On a square, isn't this side the same as this side? Yes, it is. So it's this by itself again multiplied twice. Twice, right? So it's squared. Okay? So let's go ahead and rewrite it again. 7a to the 4th times b, not squared, times 7a to the 4th times b. Okay? So what's going to be the area of this square logo? So I see 2 7s. I see 4 A's and 4 A's. That's 8 A's. And then b squared. That is our answer. That's the area of this logo. Now, it would actually be 49a to the 8th b squared, but we'll just leave it like that. Okay? Now, it would have given it to us from here. Watch. 7, there's a 1 right there, yes? What's 1 times 2? 2. There it is. What's 4 times 2? 8. There it is. And then there's a 1 here. 1 times 2 is 2. That is the area of that logo. We are done with example number 4. All right, we're on example number 5. Go ahead and read example number 5. Is the following expression simplified correctly? If not, explain one or more mistakes that this person made and provide the correct simplified expression. First of all, let's find out if this equals this. Okay, so let's expand this first. Let's expand it. So let's expand it. So it's going to be 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's inside is this. 5x to the third y, 5x to the third y, 5x to the third y, 5x to the third y. Okay? Now, how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many x's? 3, 6, 9, 12. And then how many y's? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if this equals that. Y to the 5th? No, already, ya no. X to the 12th? Yes, that one's good. This does not equal 20, right? This is not equal to it. This is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's a big number. So they are not equal. So 5x to the third y to the fourth does not equal 20x to the 12th y to the 5th. It does not equal. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and summarize this. Let's summarize it. Now, I'm going to give it to you verbally. You're going to go ahead and write it on here, okay? So the essential question: how do you simplify expressions involving a power of a power? So when we have something like this, how do we simplify that? What did we do here? Okay. But there's another easier way, right? There's another way. What do you have to do to the exponents? Okay. So go ahead and summarize it, guys. Put in your summary. All right. How do you simplify expressions involving a power of a power? How? Okay, we went over it. Okay, let me go ahead and repeat it in Spanish for those of you in Spanish. Ok, so aquí entonces vamos a sumar el resumen. El summary es el resumen de la lección. Ok, y la question o la pregunta era, ¿cómo se simplifica del poder a poder? Power of power. ¿Cómo se simplifica? How do we do it? Ok, ¿cómo se hace? Okay, aquí lo pueden poner. Okay, right here. All right, guys, and we'll be done with this lesson. If you have any problems with the summary, let me know in the chat.